there! Whoa! It's 2025 already. Who hit the fast forward on the calendar? I barely finished my New Year's resolutions from 2 years ago. Anyway, today we're getting a little throwback. I'm counting down the top 3 most watched tips and tricks videos of last year. Let's dive into the best of the best. Whether you're here to reminisce or maybe to figure out what everyone else already knows. But there are a few select triggers that end coverage, and it would be whichever happens first. Once your interest in the covered property ceases, when covered property is leased or rented to others, once the covered property is accepted by the owner or buyer, and the contractor has been paid in full or the transfer of ownership has taken place. Again, these are just a few, so I hope I've inspired you to carefully read the most interesting coverage forms in the insurance universe. What do you need to know before you get started quoting? Well, first and foremost, what's the description of the work being performed? The more details you provide on the front end, the faster and easier your policy issuance process will be. Next, what does your client need coverage for? Just the renovations, or do they need coverage for both the renovations and existing structure? And lastly, the anticipated completion date. Verify this with your client, which they can find on the construction agreement. Remember, don't just use the expiration date. We see so many extensions, and every time an extension is requested, the account goes on hold for underwriting review. If the completion date was incorrect to begin with, it may cause your issuance process to drag on. We typically don't have issues with contractor experience on the commercial side of things, but residential, especially remodeling, is another story. Ask them for a construction resume, which is nothing more than writing down what they've built or remodeled over the last 2 or 3 years. And there you have it. Got a topic you're curious about? Send it my way, and I'll keep this show on the air. Here's to you in 2025. Till next time.